This video is going to be about how to write an equation of a circle based off of given characteristics. So the first thing we need to know is we need to know what the equation of the circle is. So the equation of a circle in standard form is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals the radius squared, or r squared. So what you have to do is it says write an equation of a circle with the center at the origin. So we need to know what the center of the origin means. The center at the origin is the original, or where you start from, which the origin in graphing is going to be 0, 0. It then says the radius is 8, so the radius is 8. Well, when we write an equation of a circle, we have this equation up at the top, x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. So we need to know what h and k are. H and k are from the center. So my center is 0, 0. My radius is 8. My radius squared would be 64. So my r squared is going to be 64. So then what we do is we write our equation, which is going to be x minus 0 quantity squared. So I don't even need to put the minus 0. You can just write x squared. X squared plus y minus 0 is the same thing as just y. So it becomes y squared equals the radius squared, which is 64. And there is the equation of that circle. So then we go to the next one. It says write an equation of a circle with the center at -3, 7 and a diameter of 10. So again, it's the same equation. We need to know what the center is. The center is -3, 7. And the radius is going to be found by using the diameter. The diameter is 10, which means the radius is half of that, which is 5. That means our r squared is going to be 25. So now we're ready to write the equation. It's x plus 3 squared. Remember, it's opposite of that, so -3, which becomes +3, plus y minus 7, because it's the opposite of 7, squared equals 25. That's the equation of a circle. So then we look at the last example for the circle. It says write an equation of a circle with the center at 6, 2 and it contains the ordered pair 6, 13. Well, that means that you have a circle. You go to the right 6, up 2. There's the center. And then it says contains 6, 3. What that means is 6, 13 is on your circle. So I go to the right 6, up 13. There's my point. And then you just draw a sketch of a circle. The reason we do this is because this gives us a visual. Well, in order to write the equation, I need the center, which is 6, 2, and I need the radius. Well, the radius is the distance from there to there. Well, what is that distance? Well, this is at 13. This is at 2. The distance from 13 to 2 is 11. So my radius is 11, which means my radius squared is 121. Now write your equation. X minus 6 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared equals 121. And that is the basics of how you write an equation of a circle from given characteristics.